Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn real number and their decimal expansion. Real number, we know that real number is a set of rational and irrational number. Let us take three examples: 10 upon 3, 7 upon 8, 1 upon 7. Now we have to divide and we have to notice what is the decimal expansion. So first number is 10 upon 3. 10 upon 3 means 10 divided by 3. When you divide 10 by 3, then 3 3s are 9. You write here 9, 10 minus 9, 1. After that you 1 is less than divided 3, then 1 is not divided by 3, then you put here decimal and write here 1 0, it will be 10. 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. Again you write here 0. 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. You write 0. 3 3s are 9. Again remainder is 1. You write 0. Means 3.3333 one digit is repeating. In second fraction 7 upon 8. In 7 upon 8, 7 divided by 8. 7 is not divided by 8. Then you put here decimal and write 1 0 here. 8 8 are 64. 70 minus 64 6. Again you write here 0. 60. 8 7 are 56. 10 minus 6 4. Remainder is 4. Again you write here 0. 40. 8 5 are 40. 40 minus 40 0. Means after 3 digit the whole term is terminating. In last fraction 1 upon 7. 1 upon 7 means 1 divided by 7. 1 is less than 7 means 1 is not divisible by 7. Then you put here decimal and write here 0. Then 10 divided by 7. 7 on the 7. 10 minus 7 3. You write here 1 0. 30. 7 4 are 28. 30 minus 28 2. Again you write here 0. 20. 7 2s are 14. 2 quotient and you write here 14. 20 minus 14 6. This will be 60. Then 7 is 56. 60 minus 56 4. 14. Again 7 5s are 35. Write here 5. Quotient is 5 and remainder is 5. 50. 7 7 are 49. 50 minus 49, again you get 1. Means again after that the same number will be repeating. Means quotient is 0.142857. Means 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 6th digit same number will be repeating. Now in first case remainders are 1, 1, 1 and so on. Divisor is 3. In second fraction remainder is 6 4 0 and divisor is 8. Means after 3 digit will be terminating. In last remainders are 3 2 6 4 5 1. Means how many digit? 1 2 3 4 5 6. After 6 digit it will be repeating. Divisor is 7. So what you notice here? We have to notice that 3 things. You should have noticed at least 3 things. Number 1, the remainders either become 0 after a certain stage or start repeating themselves. Number 2, the number of entries in the repeating string of remainders is less than the divisor. In 1 upon 3, one number repeats itself and divisor is 3. In 1 upon 7, there are 6 entries: 2, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5, 1 in the repeating strings of remainders and 7 is divisor. Number 3, if the remainders repeat, then we get a repeating log of digits in the quotient. For 1 upon 3, 3 repeats in the quotient, and for 1 upon 7 we get the repeating block 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 in the quotient. So there are two cases are arises. Case number 1, the remainder becomes 0. In the example 7 upon 8, we found that the remainder becomes 0 after some steps, and decimal expansion of 7 upon 8 is equal to 0.875. Other examples, we can take another example, 1 upon 2, the decimal expansion of 1 upon 2 is 0.5. 639 upon 220, decimal expansion is 2.556. In all these cases, the decimal expansion terminates or ends after a finite number of steps. The decimal expansion of such number is terminating decimal number. Second, the remainder never become 0. In the example of 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 7, we notice that the remainders repeat after a certain stage, forcing the decimal expansion to go on forever. In other words, we have a repeating block of digits in the quotient, which is non-terminating, recurring, or we can say that repeating decimal expansion. For example, 1 upon 3 equal to 0.3333 dot dot dot, or we can write 1 upon 3 equal to, here you can see that only one digit are repeating. The repeating block is only one digit, then we can write 1 upon 3 equal to 0.3 bar. It is known as, what you read, this symbol is bar. Similarly, 1 upon 7, when you divide 1 by 7, then we get 0.142857, 142857, 142857, dot dot dot. You can notice here 142857 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 digits, the same number is repeating. Then we can write in short 1 upon 7 equal to 0.14287 bar. How many number what digits is repeating, and that number you have to put bar. Also, one another example, 3.57272 dot dot dot, means here you can observe that 3.57272, two digits are repeating only. The two blocks are repeating. We can be written as, you can write it 3.572 bar, only 72 bar. Thus, the decimal expansion of rational numbers have only two choices. Either they are terminating or non-terminating recurring. We are going to solve exercise 1.3, question number 1. Write the following in decimal form and say that what kind of decimal expansion each has. First is 36 upon 100. Answer 36 upon 100. In previous classes, we know that if you divide any number by 10, then you put from right side one digit decimal. If you divide any number by 100, then you put two digit decimal. So it is 36 upon 100. This will be equal to 0.36. Put from right side at 2 place 2 digit decimal. So this is the terminating decimal expansion. We write here terminating. Second part, 1 upon 11. 1 divided by 11. divide right side. 1 divided by 11. 1 is not divisible by 11, then you write here decimal and 0. Again 10 is not divisible by 11. Again you write here 0 and you write one more 0. 11 9s are 99. It will be 1. Again 0. 10 is divisible by 11? No. Then you put here 0. Here is also 1 0. 11 9s are 99. 1. It is clear that it is 0.0909 means 2 digits are repeating. So it will be 1 upon 11 equal to 0.0909 dot dot dot. Or we can write 1 upon 11 equal to 0.09 bar. It is non-terminating repeating. The decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating. Third part, 4 whole 1 upon 8. First of all, you change mixed fraction in fraction. 8 4 are 32. 32 plus 1 33. This will be equal to 33 upon 8. Now 33 divided by 8. 33 divided by 8. 8 4 are 32. Remainder 1.0. 8 1 are 8. 2 20. 8 2 are 16. Remainder 4 0 40. 8 5 are 40. Remainder is 0. After 3 digits, it will be terminating. Now 4 whole 1 upon 8. This will be equal to 4.125. It is terminating decimal expansion. So right here terminating. Fourth part, 3 upon 13. 13, 3 divided by 13. 0.0. 13 to the 26. 10 minus 6 4 40. 13 3 ja 39. 1 0. Again you write here 0. You put here 0. 100. 13 7 ja 91. 9 0. 13 6 ja 78. Remainder 10 minus 8 2 and 1 0. Then 39 ja 170. Remainder is 3. Means after 1 2 3 4 5 6, after 6 digit it will be repeating again. We get here 3. 3 is remainder. Therefore 3 upon 13. 3 upon 13 equal to 0.230769 dot dot dot. Now we can write 0.230769 bar. This is the decimal expansion of 3 upon 13 and it is non-terminating and repeating. Right here non-terminating repeating. Fifth part, 2 upon 11. 2 upon 11 means 2 divided by 11. Divide 0.0. 11 11. Remainder is 9 90, 11 at ja 88, remainder is 2. Again 11 at ja 11, remainder is 9. Again you get 11 at ja 88 dot dot dot, remainder is 2. It means that 2 upon 11 equal to 0.1818 dot dot dot, or we can write 2 upon 11 equal to, here 2 digit 1818 are repeating, then you put here 0.18 bar, and it is non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating, repeating. Last part, 329 upon 400. First of all, when you write 329, we can write 329 upon 100, you can write 4 into 100. Now this will be equal to 3.29 divided by 4. Now you can easily divide right side. 3.29 divided by 4. 4 8 ja 32. 0.04 8 ja 32. 009. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. It will be 1 0. 4 2 ja 8. 2 20. 4 5 ja 20. Remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then it will be, this will be equal to 329 upon 400 is equal to 0.8225. It is terminating.